Every woman you see is a fertile ground or a fruitful ground. And I want every man to understand this, that whatever you sow in her, whatever you plant in her, it will grow and produce much fruit. In other words, whatever you give to your wife, whatever you do to your wife, she will multiply it and give it back to you. Which means that when you sow or when you invest in her love, kindness, gentleness, happiness, peace of mind, generosity, affection, attention, or faithfulness, she is going to multiply it and give it back to you. And guess what? When you sow in her headaches, fear, pain, insecurities, or stress, she is going to multiply the same and give it back to you. Now, I am not saying that women are perfect. All I'm saying is that women are incubators, and whatever you give to her, whatever you put in her, is exactly what she's going to give back to you. That's how women have been wired. Every man needs to understand that whatever you sow in your wife is exactly what you will reap. So do not expect to reap what you have not sowed and where you have not sowed. So I want every man to understand this again, that you can have a sweet wife provided you sow sweetness in her. You can have a happy wife provided you sow happiness in her. And you can have a loving wife provided you sow that love in her. And if you see in your marriage that your wife is a bitter woman, she's an angry woman, she's an insecure woman, I want you to understand that that is exactly what you have been sowing in her. This message is for every husband. You need to be conscious of the seeds that you are sowing in your wife, because that's exactly what you're gonna reap from her. Remember, women are not initiators, they are responders, they are incubators. They can only give back what has been invested in them. So if you want to improve the quality of your marriage as a husband, all you need to do is sow good seed in your marriage, and then you will reap them from your wife. Stay blessed.